Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. So it's pretty simple. Some of the time you guys want to apply a profile picture or you guys want to change a profile picture, but you don't want any of your friend to be get notified. So in this way, you guys can upload a profile picture without notifying everyone. I'm gonna tell you how you can do this. You guys have to firstly open a Facebook app. So after opening a Facebook app, you guys have to tap on the top right corner of your profile icon, which is below the messenger icon. So after tapping on it, now you guys have to tap on your profile. So after opening up your profile, you guys have to tap on the camera button, which is here. So after tapping on camera button, you guys have to tap on the select profile picture option, which is second option. So here you guys have to just select the profile picture which you want to upload without notifying everyone. So after selecting the picture, here you guys have to just uncheck the mark which is share your update to newsfeed. It is a single option which allow you to upload your profile picture without notifying everyone. So after unchecking the mark of this share your update to newsfeed, now you guys have to just tap on the save button and your profile picture will be uploaded and it will not notify even single of a person. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.